وَالسَّمَاءِ وَالطَّارِقِ.
By the sky and the night comer.
وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الطَّارِقُ.
And what can make you know what is the night comer?
النَّجْمُ الثَّاقِبُ.
It is the piercing star.
إِن كُلُّ نَفْسٍ لَّمَّا عَلَيْهَا حَافِظٌ.
There is no soul but that it has over it a protector.
فَلْيَنظُرِ الْإِنسَانُ مِمَّ خُلِقَ.
So let man observe from what he was created.
خُلِقَ مِن مَّاءٍ دَافِقٍ.
He was created from a fluid ejected.
يخرج من بين الصلب والترائب.
Emerging from between the backbone and the ribs.
إنه على رجعه لقادر.
Indeed, Allah, to return him to life, is able.
يوم تبلى السرائر.
The day when secrets will be put on trial.
فما له من قوة ولا ناصر.
Then man will have no power or any helper.
وَالسَّمَاءِ ذَاتِ الرَّجْعِ.
By the sky which returns rain.
وَالْأَرْضِ ذَاتِ الصَّدْعِ.
And by the earth which cracks open.
إِنَّهُ لَقَوْلٌ فَصْلٌ.
Indeed, the Quran is a decisive statement.
وَمَا هُوَ بِالْهَزْلِ.
And it is not amusement.
إِنَّهُمْ يَكِيدُونَ كَيْدًا.
Indeed, they are planning a plan.
وَأَكِيدُ كَيْدًا.
But I am planning a plan.
فَمَهِّلِ الْكَافِرِينَ أَمْهِلْهُمْ رُوَيْدًا.
So allow time for the disbelievers. Leave them a while.